Get this. There are literally hundreds of thousands of people who are watching this commercial from Sunset Ford of Sumner, but only 25 of you will get the benefit. Just 25, period. Sunset Ford of Sumner just made a special purchase of 25 slightly used 2022 Ford F-350 Lariat 1-ton trucks. These bad boys are loaded. Pano roofs, navigation, cooled and heated seats, long and short beds with all the goodies, all ranging from just 15 to 25,000 miles. All had original MSRPs of around $88,000, and you could bet some folks paid more. Maybe way more. But today, these 25 F-350s are thousands and thousands less. Plus, they come with warranty protection for life and oil changes for life, saving you thousands of dollars down the road. It's an absolute no-brainer, but only for 25 of you. No time to call, text, or email. Some of these trucks haven't even arrived yet. So get to Sunset Ford of Sumner, make a refundable deposit, and reserve yours now. You just get more at Sunset, and 25 more of you will like that.